Giggle, giggle. She giggled when he told a joke. The kids giggled during the funny movie. Grope, grope. To touch or fondle someone for sexual pleasure, especially without the person's consent. She claims that her boss tried to grope her. He groped for his keys in the dark. Grumble, grumble. To complain in a low, murmuring voice. He grumbled about the cold weather. They will grumble if the food is late. Groan, groan. To make a deep, inarticulate sound in response to pain, frustration, or pleasure. He groaned when he hit his knee on the table. She groaned when she saw the bill. Gawk, gawk. To stare openly and often rudely. He gawked at the tall buildings in the city. Gamble, gamble. To take risky actions, especially by betting money or making decisions without certainty. He gambled all his savings on the game. Gossip, gossip. To talk about someone's personal affairs, often in a casual or disapproving way. They gossiped about the new neighbors. She gossips with her friends after work. Gulp, gulp. Swallow quickly or in large amounts, often due to thirst or nervousness. She gulps nervously before giving a speech. He gulped down the water after running. Gasp, gasp. To inhale suddenly out of shock, surprise, or difficulty in breathing. He gasped when he saw the accident. You will gasp when you hear the shocking news. Greedy, greedy. Having an intense and selfish desire for something, especially wealth or food. She is greedy and always asks for more. He was greedy and took all the food for himself. Glimpse, glimpse. A quick or brief look at something. He caught a glimpse of her in the crowd. She glimpses the sunset before it fades. Guzzle, guzzle. To drink or eat greedily or excessively. He guzzled the entire bottle of soda. You will guzzle that milkshake if you're thirsty.